Welcome to our channel. Your short game determines your scoring ability more than any other factor. These comprehensive techniques develop reliable skills within 100 yards. Step 1. Dedicate at least 50% of practice time to short game. Most handicap strokes are lost near the green, yet most golfers practice full swings predominantly. Step 2. Develop 3 reliable chipping techniques. Standard chip and run with low loft, medium trajectory pitch, and high lob shot. Each serves different situations. Step 3. Master distance control in pitching. Practice landing the ball at 10-yard intervals from 20 to 80 yards. Know your stock distances with each wedge at various swing lengths. Step 4. Build bunker confidence through proper technique. Open stance, open face, shallow entry behind the ball, and aggressive acceleration create consistent sand shots. Step 5. Develop your putting fundamentals with emphasis on distance control. 3-putt avoidance matters more than making long putts. Practice lag putting extensively. Step 6. Learn to read lies around the green. Tight lies require different techniques than fluffy lies. Practice from various conditions to develop adaptability. Step 7. Create practice games that simulate pressure. Compete with yourself or others, creating consequences for misses. Mental pressure reveals technique weaknesses. Step 8. Keep statistics tracking scrambling percentage and putts per round. Quantitative feedback guides improvement efforts and reveals progress. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.